Hey everyone, welcome to MENSCH. Today we're going to learn how to make a delicious plant-based cooking cream for your favorite recipes. Whether you are lactose intolerant, vegan, or just looking to cut back on dairy, this recipe is perfect for you. It's a cheaper and healthy alternative to what you usually find and buy in the supermarket, and is made with only 4 ingredients. It also doesn't contain any of these weird ingredients that you find in the back of the label. It's made with plant-based milk. I'm using unsweetened soy, oil, vegetable oil standard, water and corn flour. To make this recipe we will also need a sauce pot, an immersion blender and a tall glass or a jar. The method is really simple. We start from a cold slurry, which is a mix of water and corn flour, and we cook it in our sauce pot for around 2 to 3 minutes until we have a paste. Then we'll make an emulsion of milk and oil and we'll add the paste to it until we obtain the cream. This is a perfect recipe for your sauces, your pastas or even desserts. Let me know in the comments below how you plan to use this recipe and don't forget to subscribe for more vegan recipes. Enjoy!